how to recover deleted files from the recycle bin of your PC. So on your desktop, look for recycle bin and click on the recycle bin icon. So double click on the recycle bin icon here. If you can't find it on your desktop, simply on your search bar here, type in recycle bin to locate it. So type in recycle bin, and once you've located it, click on it to open recycle bin. So here you will find all the files that you have deleted. So simply look for the file that you want to recover. So for example, go through and then select the file that you want to recover. So for example, here let me recover these files here. So just use these files. So select those files that you want to recover. So once you have selected it, right click on those files. So right click on those files, click on restore. So click on the restore option to recover all those files back to their original location. So these files have now been disappeared because it has been sent back to the original location. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you recover deleted files from the recycle bin of your PC. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.